Hello students, this is USA Citizenship, page 4. It's a new chapter, chapter 2, Places. You need page 4 and a pen or pencil. Here are the words you will learn in this video. Page 4 is available on my website at this link. Are you ready? Here is the world. In this chapter, we will talk mostly about North America. North America is one of the 7 continents of the world. Do you know the names of the other continents in English? Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, Africa, South America. But in this video, we will talk about North America. Here's North America. We live in North America. We're in the middle. Here is the United States. The 2 other countries in North America are very important to us. Canada is the country north of the United States, and Mexico is the country south of the United States. See the compass? On the map, north is up and south is down. So Canada and Mexico are our neighbors. They are neighbors of the United States. Look at your paper. We live in North America. The United States is the country in the middle of North America. Canada is the country north of the United States. Say the word Canada. Say the sentence, Canada is the country north of the United States. Mexico is the country south of the United States. Say the word Mexico. Say the sentence, Mexico is the country south of the United States. Pause the video and write the words Canada and Mexico. Remember that Canada and Mexico are countries. They are not states. The people in Canada speak English and French. The people in Mexico speak mostly Spanish. These countries have governments that are separate from the United States. Countries have lines to separate them. Those lines are called borders. Here is the border between the United States and Mexico. The state of California is near Mexico. California borders Mexico. California is also the state with the most people. Here are some pictures of California. You do not need to know these names for the citizenship test, but you can see how beautiful it is and how different each area is. Here are some more pictures of California. These are 2 famous cities, San Francisco and Los Angeles. Can you see the word Hollywood? This is in Los Angeles, where many movies are made. California has the most people of any state. Most means the highest number or the largest number. You can see how many people are in Los Angeles, or you get the idea. It's a very large city. All right, here is another state that borders Mexico. Do you recognize this state? Texas. Texas shares a long border with Mexico. Here are some pictures of Texas. It's a very big state. Much of it is flat. And here are the most important cities in Texas: Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, Austin. Austin is the capital of Texas. You do not need to know the names of these cities for the test. The pictures are only to help you remember Texas. Look at your paper. California and Texas are two states that border Mexico. Say California. Say Texas. Say the sentence. California and Texas are two states that border Mexico. Pause the video and write the words California and Texas. Here are two more United States borders. The state of Alaska is way up north. It borders Canada. Alaska is the largest state in the United States. Not many people live in Alaska, because it is so cold. But Alaska has the most land, so it is the largest or the biggest state. Here is a picture of Alaska in the summer. Another state on the border of Canada is Washington. Washington is a state. This is not Washington, D.C. Remember that Washington, D.C. is the capital city of the United States. It's over here. But this is Washington, the state, and it borders Canada. You may know the famous city Seattle. It's in Washington, right there. It's a beautiful city. Sometimes people go to work and they take a boat to work, a ferry boat, and on very special days they might get to see a whale on their way to work. Look at your paper. Alaska and Washington are two states that border Canada. Say Alaska. Say Washington. Say the sentence after me. Alaska and Washington are two states that border Canada. Pause the video and write the words Alaska and Washington. All right, time for a review. You can pause the video after each question to test yourself. Number 1. What do you call the line between two countries? Yes, border. Number 2. What is the name of the country to the south of the United States? Right, Mexico. Number 3. Name one state that borders Mexico. California or Texas. Number 4. What is the country to the north of the United States? Yep, Canada. Number 5. Name one state that borders Canada. Alaska or Washington. For these two questions, number 3 or number 5, there are many more states that you may name. You can find them on a map of the United States. This is the end of page 4. For the next page, to continue chapter 2, watch the video, USA Citizenship, page 5.